This is Bacall.
Oh, hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Come here.
She's like, I might get up and move. She's not a fast-moving dog at all.
Baby girl. Come here. Oh.
She's pretty calm. She's so sweet.
Oh, my goodness, beautiful. You're not here. Oh, shit.
You gotta see her face though. She's got the most beautiful eyes.
Oh, there you go. Look at the pretty pics.
I might get over it so she looks at me in the sun so you can see her pretty eyes.
Oh, there you go. Look at you. Keep your head up. Oh, no, come here. Hey, over this way.
Bacall.
Oh, I know. There you go.
Trying to get the darn thing to focus here. There she is. She's definitely a bulldog mix, I think.
Hi. Hi, Bacall.